Um, I'm here at the Riverwalk. It's empty. As you can see, there's nobody here. I was supposed to come down here to meet some people, but I guess they threw me off. Everybody fucking throws me off, man. Nobody wants plans with me. I'm a great guy to be with. Look, it's the Smurfs. I love the Smurfs, man. I'm not high. I'm sober right now. I just wish I had some plans. I live in the city of San Antonio, and San Antonio's pretty boring, man. Go to Austin or Colorado. Fuck Colorado. Colorado doesn't like juggalos. Cali. No, they don't like juggalos. Go to fucking Amsterdam. Only be the 12th juggalo there, probably. Sounds like this thing's gonna break, man. Fucking crazy. Anyways, yeah, like I'm saying, I'm gonna start the daily vloggings from now on. I don't know if anybody's gonna watch them or not, but I'm gonna do it because I feel like it. Some fucking retards running. Shit. Yeah, this is a river right here. River. So boring, man. They just put some fucking fish in it. And there's the Tower of America and the Grand Hyatt and the stars. And here's me. And then there's the building again. And there's me again. And then there's the building. And then here's me again. So, yeah, I'm gonna upload these videos and hopefully people watch them.